So we were discussing new chapter, ratio and proportions. We discussed a basic in last video. It's a comparison of two quantities which have the same unit. This could be friction value, this could be represented in percentage, this could be in decimal, this could be 1:2. Like if I've taken example 4:16, because it's written here there are 4:16 student. And yes, we discussed this all like the ratio could be written in these all forms. So I've just discussed. So let me just move this. So yes, we were done till this. Now here is key fact D1, which is if a set of object which is divided into two groups, this set which is divided into two groups, then in the ratio of A and B, the first group which contain this the formula which we will use in A plus B. Okay, this is written here. Then of an object, the second group which contains B, A plus B. So I'm sure you do not get easily. So here let's discuss with the example. So first example which we have here is the last year. Which color? Yes. This last year the ratio of number of math tests which John passed to the number of math tests he failed was 7:3. So how we'll do that? Let's start. As I just told you the formula, so this would be easy for you. So we know the first quantity we have is 7, and we use this one formula because the first quantity they have given is A ratio, A upon A plus B. So first quantity we have is 7. You can see here 7. Then second is 3. 7 will be written on the A place. Again we have A here, so we'll go with A. There's addition plus, and there's B. Here value is 3. So 7 upon 7 plus 3, you will add these both first. So the answer would be like 7, which when we'll add these we'll found 10. And as I just told you, we can also write in the percentage. So they're asking question that what percent. It's written here it's written what percent of his math test did John pass. So this means we're supposed to give the answer in percentage. If we are supposed, so we will of course give. So when we'll divide these, we'll get the 70%. So this means John passed 70% of his math test, and yes, this is the answer. So this means we were done with the one example. Now let's move towards another example we have. This is written, if 45 of the students at college are male. This means now we are going to suppose a gender. So first there are 45% male gender, and so what is the ratio of male student to female student? So now how we'll do that? Like there is one reminder which is given here, that in every problem when you involve percentage, the best number used to 100. Because everything you do related to percentage, we know percentage word simply means hundreds. As I have discussed the complete entire chapter of percentage, the series or the playlist you'll find on my channel, and so we know 100 is the best number to do everything related to percentage. So there's one reminder which you are supposed to remember always. So when we go towards the solution, 45 of the college student. So when let's start here, there are 100 students in which 45 of them 45% of the students are male. So when we just minus 100 minus 45, then we'll get 55. So this means there are 55% girls, 55% are girls. So this question does not complete here because this is the only number, and number can never identify ratio, because as I told you, there is one symbol by which we represent a ratio, and the symbol I have also written. It's written like the semicolon. So we'll just divide 45 with 55. So you will get the answer, which is like 5 9s are 45, 5 11s are 55. So 9 upon 11 would be the answer, because we know this the ratio of male student to female. Because we can, when we'll add these, you'll find this is the key to remember. 200 would be the answer, and we know 45% is male, so 55 is direct answer. But when we are supposed to